Today we show you a NENG's handheld digital tester pen. Thick, insulated, glued handle. Electricity testing is safer. Comfortable grip. Screws are stronger. There are two kinds of batches, one word and cross. There are also two colors to choose from. Turn to the back. Open the battery cover. Load it with AAA battery. Put back the lid. To start working, one-click power on. Comes with backlight screen. Clear readings even in low light. When testing, the hand needs to touch the touch button. No need to press. Just touch it. NCV induced voltage. Detect without touching. The closer the distance to the voltage. Screen red light, accompanied by buzzer sirens. Press the SDL key. Switch to AC voltage detection. There is no beeping when it touches the green screen of the zero line. There is a beep on the red screen of the live wire. At the same time, it shows how much the voltage is. It is convenient to find zero live wires or detect voltage. Press the SDL button again. Switch to on-off detection. It is used to detect that the line is blocked. General rules Ming. If it is not common, it will not sound. This power cord is broken. Use on-off to check first. The ground will ring and it will pass. The zero line is not ringing. The line of fire didn't go off either. We plug it into the socket. Use NCV to find out where the breakpoint is. Follow the line. Where it doesn't ring, it's a breakpoint. It's not ringing here. This is where the breakpoint is. Let's take a look at the route. It turned out to be disconnected here to connect a wire. It is also very convenient to screw a screw. Leave it alone. About 3 minutes. It will also shut down automatically. Energy saving.